Welcome back to Crypto Journey with myself, Shade. Today, we're going to be briefly just going through the top 5 altcoins that I believe have massive potential coming up within this next bull run that's going to be coming up just after the short-term bloodbath that we've been having. We're going to be able to capitalize on these coins and make a lot of money from it. So please join me as we head over to the chart and I'll explain exactly to you how we can do this. All right, guys. So I'll just like to start off by saying top 5 altcoins that I believe have massive opportunity coming up. Firstly, Filecoin, XEM, Ondo, CRV, as well as OIN, ONI Finance. Now, just to get right into it, here we have ONI Finance. And on the side, I have basically done a calculation. You guys are welcome to do it on yourself, by yourself at any point. Um, and basically, what we're going to do is use $1,000 investment, just as an example for these 5 tokens to see what you can actually expect in terms of returns in the near future. I'll include a link to the other video that I've made where I actually tell you when's the right time to buy and sell. And hopefully we can achieve these previous highs over here again and maybe even go beyond these highs. Look at this. All right. So basically, with Only Finance, if you had invested $1,000 here at $0.028 name. So the calculation on the side, that would get you 33,898 tokens. Now, at previous highs of about $1, obviously it's the same price. So you would have $33,000 profit from a $1,000 investment. Now we can hop straight on to the next one. So Filecoin. All right. Okay. So Filecoin, same thing. Currently priced at $5.80 per token. So same thing, you would get with $1,000 investment, 168 tokens. At previous highs, that would be $39,960. At previous highs of 220. All right. Now you can just see the significance of this. Like from such a small investment, you can expect returns like this. And in my previous video, I did state it is just after the halving. Look at 2020, and then we go in 2021. Optimal entry, exit price. What did I say in the previous video? Same thing over here. 1 year after, 1.5 years after, maybe like April, May, June. You know. Okay, then hopping over to XEM. Now this one is actually pretty crazy in terms of the returns you can expect. And just again, same thing. Look here, 2016 halving, 2 years thereafter, we at previous highs. Same, like it's same trend, same trend, same trend, same trend the whole time. Now again, halving 2020 going up. Check there. All right. So if we had bought here at $1,000 investment at this current price of 0.03. All right. I should have my glasses on, but yeah, I don't. So you would have got 27,932 XEM at previous highs of, I think I did calculate it at $2. All right. That would be $55,000 from a $1,000 investment. But now keep in mind, it might not go to these previous highs. It might go here. It could break these previous highs and go to $3, maybe $4. You never know what's going to happen. But what we're going to rely on is basically just that time period that I told you, 1.5 years to 2 years after the halving. Here's the halving 2024. So let's capitalize on this. All right, sorry, excuse me for that. Um, let's capitalize on this, guys, and look at this halving, and we can definitely expect some good returns from these tokens. And that's basically the video. And if you wanted to basically go into more depth with the tokens, you can go to coin market cap. What am I typing here? Coin market cap. And the thing is about all of these tokens that I'm basically highlighting to you, they are basically top tokens. Look, Filecoin is rated at 35. Can have a look at, I think, only finance. Okay, so that's a bit of a higher risk investment, but not really. I wanted to also show you something while I'm on that with only finance, or in only finance, is just have a look at this. And in my previous experience trading cryptocurrency, when you have a bullish candlestick like this, yeah, have a look at this with a wick that extends all the way up to 40 cents. Now, according to what I've learned in the previous years and actually practiced this and seen it happen time and time again, is that what's most likely to happen is that this wick is going to be filled, meaning we are going to trade up like this and reach this wick at some point or another. 70% maybe likely, something like that. And if you can have a look here, we've been ranging in this, just in this period here for a few weeks. And I believe that there is a lot of people buying here. We could break below here, which is just a lower entry price to enter in. And yeah, so profit from in the future. And also with that being said, another token on my watch list is Ondo Finance. Now this token was recently just released. I was fortunate enough to actually get an entry price of, I believe it was 0.24 cents. So, but I haven't added anything to my position as yet. But the great thing about Ondo Finance is, despite the bullish, sorry, the bearish market in terms of Bitcoin or other altcoins that's been happening over the past few weeks, despite that, Ondo has being bullish. You know what I'm saying? And the fact that Ondo Finance is still a new token, it's not even yet listed on Binance. You can only get it on other exchanges such as MEXM. You can get it on Vala. For my South African viewers, you can actually buy Ondo on Vala. But I would say it's not an optimal entry price right now. Obviously, your optimal entry price would have been here, just like I described in the other video, where you see ranging like this for a few weeks. This is what you call accumulation. So it's accumulation. A breakout was bound to occur, or it could have gone both ways. But I'm glad it did go according to plan. And yeah, basically, so I'd just like to thank you guys for joining the video. And I am so forgetful. Yeah, we're just gonna quickly have a look at CRV. Yeah, CRV USD. Okay. Also, same thing, you need to be buying when it's low, selling when it's high. And if you have a look here, we priced at $0.47 dollars right now. If you calculate the previous highs, even going up to $6 or potentially $54, you can calculate how much money you would actually make from that. And with that being said, this is not financial advice, just purely education. The video is just for you to take at your own discretion. And yes, so I'd just like to thank you guys so much for viewing the video. And if you do have any comments, any suggestions, please feel free to comment. I'd really appreciate to engage with you guys as well. Like and subscribe if you have actually gained some sort of knowledge from this, and hopefully I was able to help you as well. Um, Coin market cap. So even if you have a look at CRV, you'll notice that it's priced in at it's also 124, and then Ondo Finance 60. Look at that. It's yeah. All right. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and have you guys.